Alright, here's a 1960s General Deluxe 12-inch box fan. Model number is 1200. This was made by Lasko, of course, as I'm sure most of you can already tell. I picked this up at Fanimation earlier this year, and when I got it, it was pretty dirty. It did run really good, but it was really dirty, and it had this wonderful extension cord abomination on it that was very annoying. So we went ahead and took that off and put on a more normal cord from an old lamp that I parted out. It's sitting on the towel because the stand's a little bit bent and the fan will kind of rock back and forth and vibrate all over the place otherwise. It's not in too bad a shape. The paint's a little bit chewed up here and there, but overall not bad. At some point I want to take the sticker off the front grill and transfer it to this grill and use it as the front because it's in a million times better shape. It's got a little RMR 2-speed motor in it. A little bit of rust going on the bottom, but not too horrible. I actually put this handle on it. It didn't have a handle when I got it. Alright, let's fire it up. Here is low. This fan has a very, very nice low speed to it. I actually used this in my bedroom quite a bit when I first fixed it up. And here's high, which is dramatically different. I'll try that. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.